Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars from Amazon affiliate marketing and using DeepSeek AI. Then I'm using a secret AI tool for creating those type of AI reels. You can see AI tool right now in the wall. By going on web similar, then you can see it's 100 plus monthly user have this website. So if I charge on Amazon, you can see I charge on dishwasher pot, and these look like 10,000 plus 5-star review, and this one 1,000 plus, this one 6,000 plus. You can see these products are really high demand on Amazon, so I copy just this product name, then going on DeepSeek AI. Then I write here write a short YouTube script 30 seconds on how to use dishwasher pots. Then this AI tool give me a short script for it's exclusively for me. Then I copy this script first time, then going on Ossa AI. So this link I will let in my video description for its access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So you need to log in with some information. It's your Gmail, first name, last name. I hope you are able to do this work perfectly. Then now you need to select your voiceover artist. Then I want to change another one. Then you can choose anyone one by one. Then I choose Jimmy, it's good for me. Then choose your style, then animation type. Then you can edit everything and anything on here. Then if this is advanced setting, if I click on here are lots of another option, but I don't need this type of here. Then just paste your script on here, then just click on create video. Then you need to wait at least 3 to 4 minutes for creating this type of video. You can see this video make a person. It's 2/1 2025, and if I play this video.
Hey Philly homeowners, tired of dumping cash into renovations just to sell? What if you could skip the repairs and still get top dollar? We're local buyers paying cash for homes as is. No painting, no permits, no stress, just a fair offer in 24 hours and no agent fees eating into your...
Okay, this is really good video. So if I scroll down, here are thousand video. This is a mind-blowing website. You can create this type of video, then upload Facebook and Twitter, and then LinkedIn and TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and any other social media platforms.
Hey everyone, did you know using dishwasher pods is super easy? Let me show you how. First, load your dishes properly. Make sure nothing's blocking the detergent dispenser. Next, take one pod, just one, and place it in the detergent compartment. No need to unwrap it, the pod dissolves on its own. Finally, select your cycle and hit start. That's it. Easy, right? And voila, spotless dishes every time. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.
How I create a shorts video for Amazon affiliate marketing using DeepSeek AI, then others AI tool. So if you want to get this type of more video, please comment here. Then if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.